therapy day at Goldfarb.
Yes.
And they have the therapy dogs, and here is, what is his name?
Sergeant Pepper.
Sergeant Pepper?
Yes.
I love it.
Sergeant Pepper.
Sarge is very talented. More talented than I can ever wish to be.
Oh my gosh, that's adorable.
And here is Gigi. Gigi is very excited. She has 0 chill, and it's all replaced with love. It's all love. That's what she's made of. Here's Ollie over here being the ultimate good boy. He's very good at his job. And there we have... Oh no! Tino made a friend. This dog is very good at his job. And then here's Michael. He's very good at his job too. He's a very, very good boy. These dogs are doing very good jobs at their jobs. They're more employed than I am.